Dad. Dad. Kulong diri ka vlog awa.
Budlay ako ba? Ano ko budlay siya?
This is really flammable.
Dad, makanta na ta.
Yeah.
Tay.
I just realized that speakers is gonna be really loud.
Do you want me to hold it?
We're gonna sing happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aybil.
I almost called you.
YB, Aya. Okay. Di na si Martin.
Did you hear me like? I said I almost called
Ready, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yay! Happy birthday, Aybil. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yay! Happy birthday. Yay! Thank you, Dad. Very good, very good, very good. Dumaybe ko ba? One more time.
Thank you.
One lang na, Bill. One.
I'm glad to be 1 year old.
Good times, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ang kanta sa liwat siya, Bill. Ay.
Oh.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Aybil! Yay! Nice, nice.
You're 6 months late, buddy. Oh,
Thank you,
I guess it could really be either
Bree.
way.
Thank you for being with us, for being with Louie.
Of course.
Thank you so much. Brianna, when is your
Mine
birthday?
is in April 28th.
Oh, ma, April 28, ma.
I still got a ways to go.
You know what's the birthday of Mama? April 29.
Oh,
April 28, ma. See? Hers is, see, you have the same, ano kaya na? Ma, you have the same, ano kaya na, ang tawag na ba? Horoscope.
Yes, that.
Leo, ano ka mo? Taurus? Taurus.
yep.
Taurus are so strong. Strong personality, right, Bree?
Yeah. Very stubborn.
Yes. Very stubborn.
Why do you look at me like that? You got something to say?
You're stubborn.
Datay, diri ka blatay kay kwa. Talon ta ka sa kudak. Idog-idog di blatay, ha?
No.
Na ka kay hindi ka makita balaan. Nga Taurus ka mo? Nang sadya kay nag-Skype kami, oh.